Today we have an under 10-minute makeup look for you guys that is perfect for the office, for work, for anything. It's everyday perfect, just light makeup, and it takes literally 10 minutes, maybe less. So without further ado, we can hop right into this tutorial. So let's start, you guys. Okay, you guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is starting off with our foundation. So I am using a light to medium coverage. I'm just using my NARS soft matte right over here. You could use like a more dewy foundation if you wanted something a little bit more natural. But even with the soft matte, it is a soft matte. So I don't think that it is super unnatural looking. And I'm just using my Beauty blender to apply this. This is going to be like a very, very light, very easy everyday look. I mean, it's for the office, so it's not anything. It's just to make yourself feel pretty, you know, and look, not that you wouldn't look pretty without makeup, but you know what I mean. Now for our concealer, you guys, I just have literally a super light layer of foundation on, and I am going in, I'm obsessed with this thing recently. It is my Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser, and I think this is like the perfect concealer for every day or just in general. And I'm just applying that very lightly, not a whole lot, but just to like brighten myself up a bit. Now you guys, I am super lightly I am just setting my face super, super lightly. You can use any setting powder of your choosing. I'm just using my Anastasia translucent setting powder, but I am using such a light layer of it. That's the key to this look, is everything is going to be like super, super natural and super light and super just totally easy. So now you guys, I'm just going to go in with my concealer again, and I'm just going to prime. You can also use a eyeshadow primer if you want, but just going in here. I'm not adding so much because this is like a really light look. It's nothing fancy or special. You can use now for this one either like a nude makeup palette, or honestly you can just use what you use to contour. It's totally up to you. I am going to be using my Masters Matte Makeup by Mario palette, and I'm literally just taking a blending brush and I'm going in with this shade right over here and mixing these two together. And I'm just going in the outer corner and just blending that into my outer corner. I'm blending that a little bit up just to give that illusion of shadow, but nothing crazy. I think that this honestly is so beautiful for every day. I think just enhancing your natural beauty for every day is it's my favorite look, especially for work. So we're not going to go too heavy, you guys. We're just going to do like a shadow, you know? So the whole point of this is to be very light, like I keep saying. But I'm going in with my contour and my bronzer very gently. This is so quick to do in the morning. If I wasn't talking to you guys, I would be like pretty much done by now. This is the perfect morning routine for makeup. It's just so light. And the reason why I choose a matte foundation, so it's soft matte. Even though it doesn't give it that super, super natural, my skin does definitely get a little bit oily sometimes. So just to have that extra layer of protection on there, I like to use the matte. Now you guys, going in with blush, I'm just using this Milani. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I just got this. It's really cute, I think. So I'm going in on the highest points of my cheek always. And for nose contour, you guys, so it does normally take me a little bit longer to do my nose contour, but actually what I'm gonna do right now as like a little trick is I'm going to take my brush that I used for my bronzer, my contour, whatever you guys feel more comfortable with, and I'm just going to pinch it and go down the sides of my nose like so, go on the tip. I don't normally contour my nose like this, but when I'm in a rush, just to get that little bit of color on there, this is how you get it done quick. You know, add a little bit, and I think that that's good. Add a little bit under my lip. For brows, you guys, we are gonna be doing like so quick. I'm not gonna cut them or anything with concealer underneath, but I'm just gonna go in the direction of my brow hair, the growth of that. And we're doing like very, very natural brows with this look. So just making really quick, sharp lines for individual hairs. You don't want to have something that is off balance. So you don't want to have really, really heavy brows with a lighter face like this. And so the way that you actually curl your lashes to make them stay is you start by hooking them like as close to the root as you can possibly get it, like on the root. And then you twist the, I have it caught a little bit on my lower lash, but that's fine. Okay, so, and then you twist up like so. And then you actually release and close your eye. And so what that does actually is it keeps the shape of the curl rather than just undoing what you just did by bringing that back down. For mascara, you guys, you can use anything you want. I would recommend using a waterproof. I'm using my Dior Pump and Volume waterproof. This is my all-time favorite mascara, like, ever. I really, really love it. So I'm going in with this on the bottom and just like shimmying that up. And then for the top, I like to go in with a different mascara. I like to wear two, but you don't have to. You can just use your favorite just once if you'd like, and just get those. Lipstick, you guys, you're gonna want to grab a nude, almost sheer lipstick. So I'm using my all-time favorite. This is NARS Rose Cliff. This is like everyday lipstick for sure. It's perfect. I found this drugstore dupe that I really like. It's called No Doubt, and this is by L'Oreal, so I also really like this. But I'm just gonna use my handy dandy Rose Cliff and go right over. So the reason why I like this, it's almost like a tint, you know, it's not going to bother you so much when you're drinking coffee, when you're eating, when you're doing anything like that. So if it comes off a little bit throughout the day, it is not a big deal at all. I mean, obviously you can bring it with you, reapply. If you would like to, you can spray your face with some setting spray, but I'm not going to do that just because I feel like I don't need it for such a light look. But if you want to make it last longer, that's totally fine. And that is it, you guys. That's literally it. if I wasn't talk through this, I can really bang this out in like 5 to 7 minutes, I feel. And especially because I do this for like all the time, every day. And it is so easy. I would definitely wear this to work or anywhere, the office, anywhere like that. So I really hope that this was helpful for you guys. The products that I used here are really, really, really great for every day. They are like lighter to medium coverage for everything. It's very lightweight. You're not going to feel like you are drowning in makeup the whole day, and you just are going to look like a more enhanced, beautiful version of yourself. So that's what I look for anyway in work makeup. So I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, anything like that, please drop them down below in my comment section as always. And if you liked this video and you feel like supporting me and my channel, you could give it a big thumbs up for me. Also hit that big old subscribe button. It really does make a huge difference in my channel, and we won't miss out on each other for any of my future uploads. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!